Hey everybody, Cowboy here. You're going to see kind of a compilation of three very short clips of getting into a trade and ending up in profit. So you'll see me identify it, and then it'll cut later to me creating the trade, and then it'll cut later to me being in profit and talking about how I'm going to manage that trade. And it was a winning trade, and it happened live. So anybody in our private room got to see it happen, and they got to see it unfold. If you like this content, please stick around right after the brief clip, or simply zap the QR code that you see in the bottom right hand side of the screen, or go to www.algofactory.tech, and we'll hope to see you there. Well, we've been predicting cuts for a long time, haven't we?
Yep.
So I don't know. I just don't get I don't get that emotional about such things. I do like to see things like ESG go the way it's set. I'm going to take this trade. Screw it. I like this trade. It's kind of a weakish trade a little bit, but I'm going to drag the stop a little bit lower. I'm just going to take this euro long. Seems like it's going to just float out, or should I wait? I might wait a little bit on this, but yeah. Okay. Good. I'm going to take this, but not just yet. I need to set an alarm. But yeah, this sucker wants to pull. Set an alarm. Crossing. Okay. Alert set. I could take it now, but there's just some pieces I want to fall into place before I take that. That's a nice three. The everything is bullish on this. The dollar bearish, and again, the Powell decision seems to have created some anti-gravity to assets that are against the dollar. So, this right here is parabolic, right? So it's probably just going to continue up. The things are really slow right now prior to the open, which is in 10 minutes. So I would like to see the open first. And plus, I've got the algo ready to ping, so we'll see what happens. Okay, do I like this trade right now? Just looking at the algo. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take this trade. Got a nice little pullback, although it might pull back a little more, but that's a grind upwards. That's some Powell anti-gravity. I think even if I get a little bit of a pullback, I think we'll still see things grind up. Oh, how much did I actually enter? I hope I didn't do too much. No, that's good. I'm good with that. All right, so I just entered this trade, and this is what it looks like for everybody. We'll see how it goes. A little bit of a funky trade, but at the same time, we're at a time in the market where it's chill. So, what's my entry though? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna map this out so I can put it on the channel. So I just need a moment here. So live trading. I'm on my trade station. Give me a second. Oh shit. Let's see. I just want to make sure that I map it out so you guys can see what my actual entry was. 1.09657. Okay. 1.09657. Good. Stop at 1.09497. Okay, that's good. All right. So, yeah, it's kind of a weird time in the market. I think it's just the December blues, if you will. But I will blow this up, post it, see if we can pull a little money out. It's not a huge trade. I didn't put a lot on it. Just because it's like going up against some resistance right here coming up soon, but it is where it needs to be. I'm going to actually put an alert right here to consider. So right below this 272, I'm going to place an alert, and that's going to be for either raise, stop, cycle out, trade. So I'm going to either be, taking off risk or taking off some profit. Maybe I'm just going to look at the algos to see what, what I can suss out. It's like what's going on. And then, that'll be that. All right. So cool. In the trade, let me take a photo of this. Oops. Cancel that. I'm closing all the tabs. Okay, good. So make sure the resolution is such that you all can read it. A little bit of camera work. All right, we'll see how it does. Again, not a big trade. Probably not going to see a lot of big trades coming up just because of the time of year. Just so the trades I'm taking right now, it's either full size or less, right? So EURUSD long. That's what I'm doing. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully I don't get murked. Price comes back down and screws me. It can happen. The problem with, of course, the Forex market as compared to crypto is I don't have liquidity maps. So I don't have the data, but I have the algos and I win my trades. So what can I say? I win more than I lose. And this is a 2-to-1. So, as long as I keep my ratios like this, I can lose half my trades and still be very profitable. All right, cool. Let's see if we've got any questions. Hey everybody, just a quick update on our trade from this morning. It would be really easy if you did not trust your system, if you do not build your own system, your own trading system, your own algo, to jump out of the trade as price headed back down. At first, price headed up and went nicely into profit right up to this first checkpoint. This is not a take profit point. This is just a checkpoint for me to take a look at what's going on and decide if I want to make a move. And as price hit that, I said, no, I'm staying in the trade. Well, price came down pretty far, almost to entry. So I saw all this profit disappear and I stayed in the trade. And in fact, had I been watching right as price hit the very bottom, I might have added to this trade. In the meantime, though, I have moved the stop to entry, so the stop loss now has been moved all the way up to the entry. So if price were to head against me, I would not lose any money, and this thing's in permanent profit. And it's probably going to head all the way up to here. I do have algorithmic exits set up to where I can know to get out based on my algo. But in the meantime, we have a trade that is nicely in profit. Hey everybody, Cowboy here. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget you can go over to www.algofactory.tech. Zap the QR code on the screen. Get us on Twitter at algo_factory777. And don't forget, we help people become traders. We help also to put people on the road to creating an algorithm that you can automate if that's what you would want to do. You can walk away, trade, it's a beautiful thing. And limited time, $49.99 a month for the membership. We hope to see you there. Thanks.